Out of here.
What's happening, Adventureland? Heading over to my father-in-law's house, Larry Bo Barrie, and I'm gonna take down this limb that has fallen and is kind of caught across the fork. So it's over the deck, and I built the deck, and I don't want to repair the deck. So I'm gonna go climb this this tree, get this limb down, Lord willing. I'll be using my homemade sucker. Super excited about it. I haven't been up a tree in a while, so I need to get my practice in. So here we go. Things to consider when I'm there. You don't want to break the limb loose while I'm trying to climb, because I don't want it to come down on top of me. When I get to the limb, I got to be able to eject it out of the tree in a fashion that is consistent with missing the deck. Not die. That's good. Help me out. Help me out. What else? I'm not really an arborist, but I play one on IGTV. Now, I've spent the better part of 2020 gathering gear, learning skills, techniques, tricks, asking questions, getting beat up like a redheaded stepchild for asking questions on some of these pages. Occasionally though, actually every time that I ask a question, there's some dude who has a smart comment, and then there's the other guys that are cool and remember what it was like to start, and they'll answer the question. It's interesting, I did a video a while back. It's a test of my handmade, hand-sewn eye splices, and I posted it on this page in Facebook. And before I did that though, I had asked the question, I had made a comment on another post about the fact that I sewed my own eyes in ropes, and this one guy just went off. You're gonna kill yourself, idiot. I didn't respond. I never do. I don't have time for that. So other people responded then, you know, then berated him basically. So then I had these sewn splices tested over at ARB session. Cool guy named Tim over there in sales. If you ever need anything, he's stellar. But Brandon over at ARB session actually did the test on the ropes, and what I sent them was just a little piece of rope with a bowline tied in one end and the eye splice in the other. It was a Sterling RTI 9mm, maybe 10mm. Had a break strength of like 7,000 pounds. And interestingly enough, when you tie a knot in a rope, so if you have a rope and you think to yourself, oh, my rope is rated at 5,000 pounds, that's true until you tie a knot in it. Like the moment you tie a knot, the rope is no longer rated at 5,000 pounds. The knot is now rated at 2,500 pounds. So the knot is usually what will break, and it's 50% of the tensile strength of the actual line. So my splices, both of the ones that I sent, neither of them broke. Very little distortion, looked great. I was super happy. I had one of them, I think the knot broke at 3,200 pounds. I'm pretty sure that I'll be okay at 3,200 pounds. Who knows? Who knows? I'm brand new to the business. Just started. So anyway, we're going over here to Larry's. We're going to take down this limb, and I'll take a little bit of video. Probably have him outside videoing for me, so I won't be able to do it. I don't have a GoPro. I need a GoPro bad. I need somebody to send me a GoPro. I don't have money for a GoPro. I tried the cheap Amazon camera, and it was exactly that, cheap Amazon camera. If anybody has a beeline on a really good aftermarket type of camera, let me know, because I'm really wanting to get something. It's fun to watch, it's fun to show people the things you do, mistakes you make, ideas you have. And listen, if you're a professional arborist and you've got folks asking questions, man, just remember what it was like when you first started. You had 1,000 questions, and you had people to teach you. Like, love others. I try to tell people, love others, love Christ. Right? If you're a Christian and you're an arborist and you're a jerk, you're not loving Christ like you're supposed to. The Bible says, love others just like I've loved you first. True. Anyhow, we're almost to Larry's. Good old Larry, he's fun to hang out with. You'll see him here in a bit. Here we are at Larry Bo Barrie's. If you look, there it is. All right, so we got to get that down. We're coming around over here. Beautiful yard. Climbing this thing. All right, I'm gonna set up my line. All right, I'm over here with Larry Bo Barrie. Say hi, Larry.
Hi there.
We got our line set nice and high, and then I'm gonna rope walk this up and grab that limb there. I'll probably swing over here to this tree and grab this other limb that's rotted, take it down. It's a perfect set. This unit here that I made, had some spare pipe around, saw a guy online kind of explain it. I did buy the bungee. It's like 30 bucks. Around the actual threads, I put kind of like an epoxy. It's sticky, not sticky, but I didn't want this rubbing on the actual threads and rubbing through or breaking it. So it launched that throw ball at the 150-foot line, so we'll call it 70 feet. It's great. It's a great throw. Only took a couple of tries. If you don't have one of these, make one or go get one, because they're worth their weight in gold. I left my Haas sitting at the house. I took it out of the bag and I said, oh, I need this. So I wasn't going to take this other bag that had some straps in it and stuff. And I set it down on top of a cooler. And I left. I left it there. I got the rope in the tree. Went to get my gear on. I was like, where's my Haas? Oh. It's back at the house. Smart. You know, they don't call me Alex Multi-Trip for nothing. Brand new to the tree business. So as I started using my knee ascender, this is really the first time I'm using it to do work, and I realized, which I kind of knew already, that it was too long. So I was having some issues here and there, just not being able to take a full step. So I'm going to take the unit and actually adjust the length a little bit. Larry, is this a limb?
That's the one.
Got it. Out of here. Okay.
Good job.
Now what we're going to try to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to tip tie that one and try to lower and swing it out of the way. Whew, look at that. Job is done, Larry.